Hello, welcome to Top Trading Edge. Market update. Let's take a look at it. Today is Sunday, 18th December, and see what market has done last week and see what the market looks like for the coming week. So, all right. So we right here, as you can see right here, last 4 days constant. Market has been selling off. So we have tested the resistance right here. Remember, every time I make the video and I said that hey, we have this major sloping resistance. And that resistance was right here. Tops are falling. Remember I said one, tops are falling, second tops falling, third time tops falling, fourth time tops falling, right? So now basically you see one time 480, then we're getting lower low. So every time market trying to bounce, we test the resistance, this sloping resistance coming all the way from January. And look at that. We got a rejection right here. Basically these tops are falling right now. So the cycle has started, the bearish cycle, and as you can see, right, we announced right here, we had a lot of melodrama here, FOMC meeting and CPI print, and a lot of things happened here, but at the end the MACD was weak. So the cycle, I announced that 2-month cycle got a rejection, and we are going down this cycle. So those who take a the technical fundamental class, they know exactly what I'm talking about. But exactly see what has happened. Once we got the sloping resistance rejection, we broke through the 200-day moving average. Then we also poked through the 100-day moving average, the purple line, and then we also poked through last Friday 50-day moving average. So we all broke down. So what does it mean? What does it mean? That means system has triggered the sloping resistance we could not pass through. Now we are below the 200-day, below 100-day, and below 50 moving average. So whenever the system says that we are below this, that's the bearish scenario, right? And if you take a look at the oscillator also, we got a rejection. We oscillator could not even reach to the 10 point almost. We got a rejection around 7. That's it. We could go highest 7 point, and then we got a rejection. And now, as you can see, oscillator is very close to, excuse me, very close to 0. So probably still has a little room to go down. We are right in the middle right here. So now, Josh, do you think we're gonna go down more? Well, let's take a look at what smart money is doing here. So one thing you got to remember, folks, right here, you see all the supply area was right up here. If you take a look at it, this area, let me draw some area so you can understand. We left that area, which is right here. This area we have left. This is the support area from right here. This area we have left. That's the major support area. We spend some time out here. So this area we have left. Now where is the next supply zone? So this is your most supply area has left, because there is nothing much left here in the middle right here, because we have a gap to be filled. And that's why I said looks like we are heading into 376 this coming week. Okay, that's what I can see, because that's the main area we could go and test. All right. And we have 50-day moving average resistance here at 385 also on a daily chart. All right. So that's what I can see right now here on a market update on what smart money is doing. And if you look at the daily chart also, and I explain you in depth that this is what it looks like. Market has let me get rid of this so you don't want that thing. Okay. So that's what it looks like. And once the MACD enter into bad territory, we could go lower. So I think, okay, if we could go lower whenever that happens. So, and I think another things I'll explain you. So what I saw here is 100 billions of stocks rebalancing happening. What does it mean exactly? After the OPEX, remember it was the $4 trillion rebalancing. So 100 billions of dollar stock. If any institutions or everybody, they have to balance their positions. If they have a 45 stock and bond, right? So then they have, if the stock bonds are, if they did not buy the bond whole year because they were afraid, then they have to buy back that 60-40 position. What are the position? They have to rebalance their bond. So I think that is the reason the bond is going up lately. If you notice that, look at the TLT. So all the in the current market, bond is going up. The reason behind is rebalancing happening. So now when they do rebalancing, what happens is the stock goes down and they buy the bond, because it's a year end. Now they only have a 2 week left. so they can buy back now. And that's why the stock is going on. I feel like we have pressure downward the way it look like right here. The 2 days constant gap down. Look, you see the gap down, gap down. Same thing, we did a gap down here, but that time it was not a year end, no rebalancing. Could be a small rebalancing monthly, quarterly, but over here we had a gap down. But these are the small gap down going on right now. So the pressure, based on the smart money, the pressure is downward. Right, that's what I can see right now here. Other than that, you know, we still need to go, because remember, new week starting, all the options also rewrite, and let's see if any agenda creates. We have to keep in mind, we do not trade what we think, we trade what we see, right? That's the reason. When it comes to intraday, if it is a swing trade, then the whole new different cycles we work into it, and that's what exactly happening. Whatever those who took the classes, they know exactly how whatever I said, exactly that's what it does market, right? So folks, we are always live, guys. Okay, every day I'm live. Top Trading Edge Academy is a live streaming desk where you can join, and it's free. You can join this academy, is free, in the morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. every day, live, free. All right, so guys, see you tomorrow morning 9:30. Thank you. Bye.